Hello and welcome to you guys. It's Moen. Don't be confused about my name. It means someone who hopes. So it's not that important. If you are here, it means you wanna develop a web page. You wanna make some page, maybe for fun, maybe for making money or anything like that. So anything you want, you need to be a developer. You because you like that. So, if you wanna be a developer, you need to know some cool tips that may help you. Let's go through that. First of all, we're gonna be developers, so we're gonna do many things and learn a lot. At the beginning, in the case you have internet, you do access some websites. You wanna make website, you gotta know how the website works. Let me show you that. First of all, you are a user here in this place. And after that, you're gonna connect to something that's called framework and use a language. We talk about it, it's not that important for now. And you put a URL in your browser, like google.com or facebook.com or anything like that. Then it goes to a page which has many codes that we call it to view, and then this view is connected to a model. It shows how it should work or something like this. Then it loads some templates. You just got confused. I meant to make you confused. I will explain after this one. Let's see this cute animal. I don't know what do you call this animal. I don't know what it is really, but I think it's just a legend or something like that. Whenever you open up a web page, you just see this part. I mean, the top of it. It's called front end. I mean, the beautiful part of it. And then programmers, developers, make this part in order to save this part beautiful and working and stable. Nobody see this part. It's invisible or something like that. But you see this one. Let me show you in Google web page. So you are here in Google web page. It's just a home page, and whenever you load this page, it's the URL or the address I told you about, and it goes to that view and model and something I told you about it. You will understand them all after this course. So here you see some buttons here, a Google logo icon, just a photo, and a text bar, some other buttons and links and many things like text or it's not important. So what you see is the front of the site. It's in front of you. It's called front end. And whenever you put something here like programming, it goes somewhere and brings some data for you. So where it goes, it's a quiz. I'll show you. Let's just come back to the file I've been telling you about. So we were here. Yeah. It's what you see, those buttons, text areas, text and context. And it's where data goes when you load or type something or when you tap on some buttons. We should learn both of them in order to develop a web page. So let's know more about them. First of all, this is not a snake. Sorry, this is not a snake. It's just a language, like English, Spanish, or a language, It's another language, but there are some differences. You will learn about it. We use this language, which is very popular, in order to make that part, which was down of that page. I mean, the hard part. I like this one. It's easy, but it looks hard. Or this one, it's called PHP. A lot of people in every corner in the world use this one and pay attention to this and develop web pages by this. Then let's go to another page to know something about that front end I told you about. There are 3 languages to develop that part and code that part. So, first of all, HTML. HTML is like an skeleton for it. You know, it gives you some tools to put the data on the screen. Where we don't know where it goes, it just goes somewhere and shows something to you, but no location, no effects, nothing more. Just something like a button or a text or something like this. You know, there is no position, it just goes somewhere in the page. And after that, you go for CSS. Whenever you go for CSS, you can tell the computer to show the text or show the button in a specific place in the page. You know, you can tell the computer to make it black or something like this, or send it to down of the page. And after that, you go for JS. It's so good. I really like it. It's JS, which means JavaScript. It helps you to make some scripts. I will explain about this. It helps you to make some actions. You know, whenever the user goes on a button, it has to show something for him, and then it brings them to another page or something like this. It is what JavaScript does for you. I think it's enough for now. And we're gonna learn HTML, CSS, a little bit of JavaScript, and then it's done. By now, we just need these tools. Let's just come back and take a look at some of those things that I told you about. So I'm just repeating that. I lost this page. Wow. Okay. We're gonna focus on this part in this course. We're gonna be back-end developers. You can earn money from this way. It's really nice to earn money if you want to do this, and you will like these parts. You know, it looks horrible, but it's not that horrible. We just talk about this part to know how it works, not to develop a page, but we're gonna focus on this part. Okay, so first of all, we'll learn how this one works, because it's easier to know. I mean, just for beginning. But we don't focus on it. I mean, this animal. And then we go for this part. We will try to learn it all and make money from it and take a job and do many things together. I hope you be successful. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. See you guys.